Hi family, we're here at the falls. I'll tag the name after, I've just temporarily forgotten the name. This drop is nearly 300 meters and as you can see it's a very beautiful and magnificent fall reaching up into the sky, and then 290 meters of it I believe, and the beautiful mist down the bottom. It's truly magnificent. The hike is one hell of a hard hike. It's 2 to 3 kilometers, but when you do it, if you get to do it in Queensland, far north Queensland, you'll know what I mean. And the mist feeding the beautiful rock wall stretches up so high. Millions of years of Mother Nature at her finest. It's when it makes you appreciate her very much, what she can do. It's just purely, absolutely beautiful. And the sun's shining up to feed the trees growing in the rocks, etc. It's a beautiful cooling effect. Oh, it's just magnificent here, it really is. I'll see if I can get closer to the bottom for you. There you go everyone. Millions of years of sculpting. Okay, have a fantastic day. Bye for now.